I am getting ready for my first trip of the season. It's just 2 nights. I have a couple friends from North Carolina coming back to visit, and we're meeting up. I found this, and I've always been wanting to go here because you know I love goats, and they have goats. It's a working farm, and it sounds like a pretty cool place. It's a, I can't think of the name of it now, Hungry Something Farm. But it's a nonprofit, and I think it'll be fun. So I'm anxious to see them. I haven't seen Terry. I worked with her at Duke, and I moved back here in 2012. So what's that been? 14 years? Whoa, I haven't seen her in 14 years. That's crazy. And her daughter is the one who brought me my cats from North Carolina. She rescues cats. And we've become friends too. So I saw her when she delivered my cats 4 years ago. I think it's been 4 years. So anyway, I think half the fun is just getting ready for the trip, organizing. And, you know, I haven't gone anywhere all winter. My last trip was in October. And since then, I've done a few upgrades. You know, I have the upper cabinets now. And so what I've done is I have all my clothes in this one. And here I have some books, a knee brace because my knee has been bugging me. Fan, I won't be needing that this weekend. And paper towels and stuff. I haven't totally figured out my organization. I have my refrigerator charging, and I have it loaded up with food and beverages. And I just tucked my shoes down there. And here I have a bunch of food. Nothing new here, but I have some Ziploc bags and utensils and stuff. My bed's ready to go. I have a wool blanket. I have an electric blanket. I added a little mirror. Hopefully it'll stay there. What else? Got the Jackery charging the refrigerator. I should have drug out my electrical cord and hooked it up to the house, but I didn't. I still will have time to unplug the Jackery and charge it up inside, get it topped off. My EcoFlow's topped off. Seems like there was something else I wanted to show you all, but I can't remember it now. And I made this cute little spice rack. I have some red peppers and onion flakes and chives and garlic powder and paprika. Mojo doesn't get to come on this trip. They don't allow dogs at this farm. And I don't think he's feeling very good anyway. So I think I'll just let him stay home. Ben will take care of him and let him rest. But in a couple weeks, we're headed back up to the UP in Michigan. So this will be a good test run. Make sure the van's running okay. Well, I got the water jug filled up, and I guess I'm about as ready as I'm going to be for my first trip of the season. And boy, if you've watched my other videos, you know I've been very deep in house projects. So I am anxious to just get away for a couple days and to reunite with a couple of old friends. Heading down the road, and I already feel the stress melting away from my body. Ah, it's so beautiful out. It's spring. It's fresh. It's clean. It's green. So this will be fun. Heading up to Tuskilwa, Illinois. It's only about an hour away from here, and it's a regenerative farm called the Hungry World Farm. So I will be anxious to interact with the animals. They have goats and lambs and sheep and chickens. It'll be fun. And reuniting with my old friends, that is priceless. Tell me about your experience reuniting with friends after a long time. Do you pick up right where you left off? I think it's going to be just fine. Well, how about like and subscribe, and then you can see more what's coming with this reunion and the trip to the farm and Lake Superior in a couple weeks with Mojo. Thanks for watching.